Good afternoon, guys. I hope all of you can see and hear me. Can you see and hear me? If you can see and hear me, just actually type it in the comment box so that I can know that you can all see and hear me so that we can get started quickly. I hope all of you can see and hear me, guys. I'm just waiting for your reply. Yes, I think you should be able to see me. Okay, let's actually quickly get started with our rules. As I've been actually telling you, the rules are very important to be followed. All the trading ideas, whatever I'm sharing with you, it is going to come with very precise. I've been doing my analysis, and then only I give you the trading ideas only when the breakout has happened, only after the confirmation happened. But still, at any given point of time, there can always be stop loss which can get triggered. So please understand, every trading ideas always will have a stop loss, will have targets, and if any of them are actually getting triggered, you need to move out of that. Many times actually the first target get hit, and then actually the stop loss will actually also probably come, or it may retrace back and then move higher. So it's very important, and we are talking about a closing stop loss. When we make my closing stop losses, we are more interested in market holding. Many times actually intraday things actually can happen that it may go down and all this, but see what happens is, if you look at the stop losses, what I am actually suggesting is very very tight, and for those tight stop losses to work, it has to be only on the closing basis. So you need to actually enter at the right prices which I have suggested. If prices goes below that, after that it comes back to that same price, then only the buying will come. Otherwise buying will not come. Then actually leave that and look at the other stocks. I have given you many stocks, so you can choose that. Always try to do 3 to 4 stocks is why I advised that you can do, because one of them actually can hit the stop loss and others may actually start giving you the result. So it's very important for you to follow this. Don't put all the money in one stock and try to gamble it, you because stop loss can get triggered, and you may actually incur loss. So I'm not charging you anything for this free tips, guys. I just need you to take a screenshot of whatever trade you do and share it with me. This will motivate me and help me so that I am actually coming in the right direction. This will really help me. I would need a testimonial from you. That will be something which will really help me a lot. All these are purely for educational purposes, and whatever investment you are doing, it is purely at your own discretion. So let's actually get started. I will have to tell you some things what actually I've actually been updating you only for the last 1 week, because all these ideas whatever I share with is between 3 to 7 days is the maximum which we are looking at. So JSW Energy is the first stock which actually we hit all the targets. SJVN actually did not give momentum, so I said actually we can move out of that. IRB Infra, actually the first target got hit, then actually stop loss also probably, if you look at that, it would have got hit. Now until unless we start getting back to the same original price and start moving higher, then only the buying will come. So the next thing is about Biocon. Biocon, you can see that all the targets have got achieved. On 8th actually there was a lot of volatility, and most of the stocks actually hit the stop loss. Only Wipro actually survived, and all the targets have got hit in Wipro. So BGR Energy, see if you look at this, all these stocks actually are still good, but it needs to hold on to that. Now the next thing is about yesterday, Godrej Consumer, actually Godrej Consumer, Power Grid, Vedanta, JSW Steel, all of them have hit the first targets. Okay, the next thing is about yesterday's recommendations. Yesterday these were the recommendation, out of which Bharti Airtel stop loss has got triggered. ICICI Bank, actually the call will be active as long as actually today's low whatever is there, you can keep a stop loss. If we cannot hold on to that, then actually we need to exit out of this. So Axis Bank, the first target got hit. Tata Chemicals, the first target has got hit. Tata Motors, the first and second target got hit, almost nearby to the third target. Bharti Airtel is actually one thing which has got the stop loss hit. So let's go for today's ideas. Uh, the first thing is starting with Idea. So the Vodafone Idea had actually given you a call earlier also at 9 rupees, and it went high above. Now after actually going down, see 10.5 is a very critical level. 10.5 10.2 to 10.5, this is a very important level. If we are actually at any given point of time going below also, as long as we can hold on to this and we start moving higher, Vodafone Idea can actually move to 12, 13, 14 kind of thing, because now actually the stock has started gaining momentum, and probably now the stock can actually give much more bigger movements in the coming days. The second idea is about DLF. I had given you this idea 2-3 days back. At that time, actually, the stop loss had got triggered. Now, actually, it has actually taken the support, and hopefully, as long as we are going to hold on to these levels, then actually DLF can move quite a lot. It can actually move towards 153, 155, or 158. The third stock for today is actually going to be for Ashok Leyland. Ashok Leyland has actually, again, it has been consolidating, and 68 to 69 rupees could be a good buy level, and 67 could be the stop loss you can keep. 71, 73 is the levels which we are looking for Ashok Leyland. Apollo Tyres is the next stock which we are talking about. Apollo Tyres 115 to 116 is the levels at which we will look at buying. Below 115, we will keep a very tight stop loss, and 118, 120, 123 is the levels which we are looking for Apollo Tyres. So this is another recommendation. The next recommendation is for BEL. BEL also actually has moved. It has actually, I had given earlier, but stop loss had got triggered. Now 100, 101 could be a real ideal position. As long as it is going to hold on to this level, we should be able to move to 103, 103, 105 kind of levels. So it's very important for us to follow this. The next thing is to do with the last thing is actually about Century Ply. Century Ply, see, Century Ply has made a very important pattern. Now 160 on the lower level and 163 on the higher level are very important. Now 160, if we actually close below this 158 and actually start going down, probably it can move on the lower side. But if we can hold on to that and we start moving above 163, we can actually go and gain the momentum again and move towards 163, 165, 168. So these are the different targets, guys. So Century Ply, BEL, Apollo Tyres, Ashok Leyland, DLF, and Vodafone Idea. These are the buy recommendations. And guys, at any given point of time, you are still actually having problem with all these stocks, and not able to get the clear clarity. I would suggest you to join the VIP Traders Club. That is meant for all of you, so that you can actually get the best of the things. And I am actually starting off with my 6-month comprehensive program. If you really want to actually make a career out of actually trading, then you need to actually join this. This is going to start from next week, and I would actually recommend you to join. This is one course which actually it will be a comprehensive program with a lot of bonus units. I'll be sharing with you all the details on the Telegram group. If you're not a part of my Telegram group, go and join Telegram group. Crazy Money with Tree is the channel. I have actually already given you the link in the description, guys. And if you want to actually join the VIP Traders Group, I will actually give you that link also. If there's anything else you want to actually know, just actually leave a comment and I will actually reply back to you. So if you have any questions right away, if you can ask, if you are asking anything about the stock, whatever stocks I have recommended, if you can ask about that, I can actually tell you, not about other things. For others, I am actually going to start another program weekly twice. I'm actually planning to start that. There you can ask me any questions about the stocks or about the market. I'll be answering that. Okay, guys, if there's anything you can just leave on the comment box, because I think live we will end now. And if you're asking me right away, I will answer. If you have come later, you can actually leave your question in the comment box and I'll personally reply back to you. Thank you very much, guys. Have a great day and a profitable day. Thank you very much.